In this video, you will learn how to install Zoom on iPhone. The process is really simple, and if you want to download any application on iPhone, you have to open App Store, and in order to download any application on Android mobile, you have to open Play Store. So first make sure that you're connected with the internet, and once you're connected with the internet, tap on App Store and open it. So once you have opened the App Store, you can see that there is a search bar on top of screen. Tap on search bar and type in Zoom application name. So here you can see that the first option is Zoom Cloud Meeting, and on the right side you can see a download button, a cloud sign with an arrow. This is a download button in iPhone. Tap on it and it will start downloading this particular application. So wait for it until it completely download. So this was the process by which you can install Zoom application on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.